Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Elgato Cam Link 4K drivers for capture editing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your computer is turned on and connected to the internet. Navigate to your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Elgato Cam Link 4K drivers download. Press enter to initiate the search. Locate the official Elgato website link in the search results. Click on the official Elgato link to access the site. Once on the site, find the search feature or look for the Cam Link section. Select the Cam Link 4K product from the list. Scroll down to the download section of the product page. Identify your operating system from the provided options. Click on the appropriate link to download the drivers. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. Accept any terms and conditions to proceed with the installation. Choose the installation location if prompted, or use the default setting. Click on the Install or Finish button to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restarting, connect the Elgato Cam Link 4K to your computer using a USB port. Turn on your camera and connect it to the Cam Link using an HDMI cable. Open your preferred capture or editing software. In the software, navigate to the Settings or Preferences menu. Select the Elgato Cam Link 4K as your video input device. Verify the connection by checking the video feed displayed in the software. If the video feed appears, your drivers are installed correctly. You are now ready to start capturing and editing with your Elgato Cam Link 4K. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.